Having a hard day at the lab? Does it just seem like all your experiments are falling apart? Well, cheer up, buckaroo. We have just the science experiment for you. Let's build a DIY air cannon. For amazing DIY science, follow these instructions and you'll be sure to be the life of the party and to impress all your friends. First, gather your materials: a plastic cup, balloon, and scissors. Now, let's get to work. Cut the end off of your balloon. Whoa, slow down there, buddy. Nice and easy. A simple cut to take off the narrow end of the balloon. Now you've got it. The next step, cut a hole in the bottom of the cup. Slow and steady, those scissors are sharp. Fantastic. Simply wrap your balloon over the top of the cup. And now you've done it. You've made your very own super fantastic DIY air cannon. Pull back on the balloon end and you're ready to go. Pew, pew, pew. Hey, who's that cool kid with the awesome DIY air cannon? Why, of course, it's you! Blow away all your friends with your amazing, awesome air cannon. Pew, pew, pew.